Welcome to another DIYauto.com video DIY. In this episode, we'll be replacing the coolant overflow tank in a 2011 Volkswagen CC. To complete this procedure, you'll need pliers, a T25 Torx bit, and some paper towels. To remove the tank, first you have to detach the upper hose, coolant level sensor plug, and two T25 bolts. There is also a hose on the bottom of the tank. To remove the sensor plug, squeeze the tab and pull. You will have to move the wiring harness out of the way to access the bolts on the rear of the tank. Use the pliers to squeeze the clip that will allow you to remove the upper hose. Use your T25 bit to remove the two rear bolts. Now you can access the hose at the bottom of the tank. Use the pliers to squeeze the clip on the bottom hose so you can pull the hose off the tank. Use a paper towel to catch any extra coolant. There's a huge difference between the new tank and the old leaky one. To install the new tank, simply do everything you just did in reverse. When you are done, fill the tank with coolant to the proper level. Run the car for a few minutes, then recheck the coolant level and see if there's any leaks. Now you can throw out that leaky tank. Good job. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.